Dealing in Protected Birds Code of Practice. Many people who keep native animals as pets have gained lots of experience and knowledge over the years, caring for their scaly and feathered friends. We want you involved in how we decide what species can be kept in New South Wales, and if you need a license, or have to follow an enforceable code of practice. In New South Wales, these licenses and codes of practices give you permission to keep most native animals as pets. These regulatory categories help us protect and maintain healthy native plant and animal populations. We have created a new process to assess the risks and choose the most suitable regulatory category for keeping a particular species as a pet. To nominate a change for the category of a species, you need to complete a risk assessment questionnaire. The questionnaire covers the level of care and welfare requirements of keeping a particular species in captivity, and risks to conservation, biosecurity, human health and safety. A group of independent stakeholders with expertise in areas such as conservation, wildlife health, animal welfare and keeping will then review the risk assessment questionnaire. We will consider both the risk assessment questionnaire and the stakeholder review to make a final decision. When a bird species is listed under the Dealing in Protected Birds Code of Practice, you will no longer need a license to keep that species. Instead, you must follow the Code of Practice. Find out more about the Dealing in Protected Birds Code of Practice at environment.nsw.gov.au.